Hey, Peter, great to be with you. It's awesome to get a chance to talk about Fast Start Studio and Fast Start Talk. Obviously, here with the microphones and the headphones, this is from where we record Fast Start Talk, the entrepreneurial voice of Orange County, and truly one of my passions. You know, we're so fortunate here in Orange County, besides the lifestyle and the weather. This is a central point for innovation, for creativity and business. Yet all the factions seem to be separate and desperate and not talking to each other. So Fast Start Talk should be is that nexus, if you will. Startups and entrepreneurs and investors and universities and suppliers to the industry all come through this portal and shared information. So we're hosted on iTunes for free in podcasts, and you can get us directly at faststarttalk.podbean.com, and all the shows are there. Fast Start Studio is just over 4,000 square feet. We currently have 21 different concepts here. True incubator, early stage, bring them up to where they can exit and start to scale. So that's everything from building foundationally strong companies, you know, all the things that innovators don't want to talk about, you know, what is HR, marketing, finance, accounting, leadership, you know, each of these new concepts, they only want to focus on their technology. But what we have is a situation where most of these startups and founders are going to be leading their companies, or at least leading their team. So what do they know about leadership? That's part of what we focus on. How do you create the right culture for your company? Is it right to build a leader-follower or a leader-leader culture? And those are some of the important things that we do here to build foundationally strong companies. And then, of course, it really works because there's 70 or 80 very smart men and women who give of their time, their knowledge to help others, and that's what makes it work here. So besides the foundational workshops, we have one-on-one mentoring and subject matter experts on a daily basis.
And what would be the entry requirements if somebody had a business idea and they wanted to approach Fast Start to become part of this?
Perfect. Well, obviously it needs to be something that we can help with. So if you've got a concept for a new drug, not here. We don't have wet labs. Or if you need a $3 million CNC router, could probably get you in front of one, but we don't have one ourselves. So it's a matching of resources. It's also a timeline in that we want to be able to get these companies in and out of here in a year or less. And so it again depends on what industry and where you are on that. And finally, it needs to be a betterment, something better for the community, certainly a better mousetrap. But we're all about improving the community, enriching lives, and acting in a positive manner. We have had successes. We've got one that exits here at the 11-month mark, 3 electrical engineers from Cal State Fullerton, and a marketing major from Fullerton. And I was able to put that team together. In 11 months, they built their prototypes, carved out their market segment, and raised $250,000 with a $750,000 follow-on. And that was in April, and right now they're raising $3 million and about to sign their first $1 million a year contract. So we've had things like that. What I'm really excited about are things that are about to happen. We have several that are on the verge of breakthroughs. We have one that is turning the unused balances on gift cards, and that's about $10 billion a year, into cash for charities of your choice. And that one's about to break out. In fact, I can't tell you the players, but if I said the names, everyone would know. They're globally recognizable who are about to endorse the product. So that one's about to happen. We've got another one where we've got one of the verticals. This is an application that works in hydroponics and aquafarming, and what we're doing is using this piece of equipment with a cure for cancer. And we've got those studies going on right now, about a half a mile from here. Dr. Keneally, world class, written 5 books. She believes that cancer hates oxygen, and she's been using hyperbaric chambers in conjunction with chemotherapy to help cure her patients with cancer. And she's running trials right now with our nanobubble generator, and we believe we can do the same thing, but without putting people in hyperbaric chambers that cost about $250,000 a piece, and people can get bends. So we believe we have a better answer, and first results look really, really good. There's several pieces of Fast Start. Obviously, we first talked about Fast Start Talk, the voice. We have Fast Start events, and I throw that out and offer for people to go to meetup.com and to look for Fast Start events. It's our meetup group. We have over 503 members as of yesterday, and we do public-facing, free events that are startup and innovation oriented. So people can come and learn for free, meet others. So that's a piece of what we're doing. And the last piece is Fast Start Academy, which we're building right now, which will be hands-on learning paid classes, where the other things are free or private. Academy is open to the public, and you can take a course or you can take a whole regime of classes that will help you build your startup with one-on-one help. It's not just talking heads. We work on your product, your project in class.